Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to install the switch panel mount for our 4Runner. Come on, let's check it out. All right, so finally, we already got the oepanels switch panel mount for the 4Runner. So it's been a while since they first introduced this, and I thought they're not gonna release this one. This is made for the 4Runner with the Switch Pro 9100, the Auxbeam 8 gang, and the sPOD Bantam XHD. So you will need an adapter if you're gonna use it for the sPOD, but for the Switch Pro, the adapter is included. So according here, it is injection molded, OEM fitment and texture. So it's a flush mount on the controller, and it replaces the original panel. So which means we're gonna need to remove the panel that we have in there right now. And also, me personally, I don't use the Auxbeam 8 gang. I am using a generic one, basically from Amazon. It is similar to the Auxbeam 8 gang. It is similar in shape and in function. All right, and it's a lot cheaper. If you want to check that one out, I'll put the link in the description. Also, they came out with other models, same size, with a lot of function, but it's cheaper. So let's check what's in the box. All right, so very excited. So SKU is that, if you're interested in that one, but I'll put the link below if you want to purchase it. And here we go. Here's the panel. So yeah, so it has that texture. Nice. So it has their logo in there, oepanels. And on the packaging, it came with a sticker from R40, Running for Tacos. And yeah, because originally when they announced this, it is developed by, co-developed with Running for Tacos. So yeah, so with this one, awesome, it looks nice. So what I'm gonna need to do is I'm gonna remove my my current mounting in there. So this is the adapter for the Switch Pro. Yes, all right. What else do we have in the box? Nothing, that's all we have. So let me show you my current setup right now. Come on. All right, so what's gonna happen is we will replace this. Gonna need to remove all of the stuff that I have here. So this is my throttle controller, which I'm not using currently because I have an OTT tune. So using this basically just to reduce the power. So counterintuitive there, but yeah. So gonna remove this. We're going to transfer our switches to the new one. All right, and the new one comes with 3 holes now, which probably I'm gonna transfer one of this. Doesn't matter really. So also my current setup, that's where it's mounted right now. So you can see it's okay. The way it's mounted, it is okay where it is. Yeah, but I like it better on the top. Basically in here, it's gonna look cleaner in here. So come on, let's go. Let me just remove that. All right, so I successfully removed my switch panel. Again, this is not an Auxbeam brand. It's a generic one. Again, it works perfectly fine. And I lost the screws, so I'm just gonna double-sided tape here. But to show you that it fits perfectly fine in here. So it is snug. Actually, I don't need the double-sided tape. It fits perfectly fine in there. So even without a screw or anything, it works fine. So yeah, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna put a double-sided tape or not because it's snug in there. See, I'm having a hard time. I might break it, but I'm just gonna leave it in there for now. And if it pops off while driving, then it is connected anyways, so that's fine. So yeah, so there you go. Next is we're gonna remove the original panel and we're gonna transfer what's in there, all right? All right, so removal of the panel. I don't know, this will be my first time removing this, I believe. So, yeah, I know I pulled this one out before, but not much. So let's see, that one, it's good. Now, yeah, so the top one. So I'm gonna remove my throttle controller gun. So, how do we remove this? Just pull it, just pull it out like that, and be careful. Remove all of the switch. They're plugged into their respective wiring. There you go. Easy as that. So now we're gonna transfer this. We're just gonna pop them out. So if you see, there's some tabs. I believe most of you will know how to do this. So yeah, so we're gonna transfer the clips also. So come on, let's go on the table. All right, so we're popping them out, and yeah, so again, this will be very easy and straightforward. The only thing that we're gonna, a major modification to install this is when we go do the cutting. So there will be a cutting involved, and yeah, I don't know how am I gonna do that. I don't know if I'm gonna use my soldering gun or I'm actually gonna use a cutter or my oscillating multi-tool. So there you go, everything is popped off. Now we're just gonna pop this in. Should be easy. So just a little bit of resistance. Okay, so well, it's on an angle. It's on an angle, and placing it correctly. You might need to do some shaving, probably a little bit of shaving. Yeah, we're gonna go back to that. So let's move to this. Yeah, that one easy. Next will be our automatic headlight. Yep, works fine. Yep, awesome. Awesome. All right, so I might need to put the cover. I don't know. I might transfer something, but with this one, okay. So we're just gonna file a little bit. Probably we're gonna file a little bit because it doesn't fit. So we're gonna file a little bit here. If you can see, it is touching. Yeah, so we're gonna file. Probably if I can just stretch it. I don't want to break the bottom part. Yeah, no, we're gonna file. We're gonna do some filing in here or here. I don't know, but yeah, so we'll do some filing. All right, be right back. All right, so everything was transferred. I need to file some material here so that I can fit this. Nothing major. What's major is the one that we're gonna do in the car. All right, I'll show you. All right, so for this, we need to trim this part in here so that we can put on the new panel. So for this, it should be easy. So just cut it here on the side. I think I'm gonna use my oscillating tool. We'll see. All right, so everything is wired in. I transfer one of the button here in the top. Basically, I move the, which one is this? This is the wiper heater, and I just move it there in the top. So now I have like 3 empty slots in here. So now we're just gonna push it. I cleaned up the one that I cut in there, so it is fully cut in here. So just to clean it up, if you have like a snipping tool to help clean it up, and that will be perfect. So now let's slide this and it should fit perfectly fit in here. So as you can see, I think there's a very minor gap in there. That's fine, it clips in. That's what's important, it clips in. So now let's clip that one back in, and there you go. It's perfectly in place. All right, so so there you go. All right, so there you have it. I love it. It's nice. It's a lot better than my older setup. Nice one. All right, yeah, so if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description, oepanels.com, and they still have it in stock, so this will be sold out quickly for sure. All right, and again, if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, and I'll be glad to reply to your questions. All right, again, thank you for watching.